Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix Windows 10 update error code solved. First method is click Start, Settings. Click Update and Security, click Troubleshoot, click Additional Troubleshooters. Select Windows Update, click Run the troubleshooter. Second method is type CMD in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Net space, stop space, WUAU serve. Net space, stop space, bits. Net space, stop space, crypt svc. Ren space, /colan /windows /software distribution space, software distribution.old. Ren space, /colan /windows /system32 /catro2 space, catro2.old. Net space, start space, WUAU serve. Net space, start space, bits. Net space, start space, crypt svc. Exit and restart system. Third method is open any browser. Type Windows 10 download in browser search bar. Download Windows 10 disk. Click Update now. Open downloaded file. Fourth method is open any browser. Type Windows 10 download in browser search bar. Click Download Windows 10 disk image. Click Download tool now. Open downloaded file. Click Accept. Check Upgrade this PC now. Check Install Windows 10 and keep personal files and apps. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.